My dear students and learners, just I am going to discuss some problems on the basis of the divisibility rules. By this activity, we can understood easily concept of the divisibility rule. Let us see here. The number end with even numbers and 0 are divisible by, okay, according to the divisibility rules, if any number at last place end with 0, or you can say that any even numbers, then that number should that it will be the divisible by 2. So according to the question, A option will be correct. Let us see for next question. 12 and 20 is the divisible by 4, then which option will be the correct according to the question? We know the divisibility rules. If any two number is divisible by the given third number, then their addition, or you can say that subtraction, will be also divisible with the third number. So after the adding 12 and the 20, we get the 32. The 32 is the divisible by 4. So according to the question, B option will be the correct, my dear students. Now proceed for the next question. Which of the following number is divisible by 5 and 10 both? According to the property of the divisibility rule of the 5 and 10, we know that any number is divisible by 5 if any number end with 0 or 5. Any number is divisible by 10 if any number at one place is 0. So that should be the divisible by both. Then according to the question, C option will be correct. Let us proceed for the next question. The number which is divisible by 9 and 3 both. We know the property of the divisibility rule of the 9 and 3. If the sum of the digits of the given number is divisible by 3, then that number will be divisible by 3. If the sum of the digits of the given number is divisible by 9, then that number will be divisible by 9. But there should be divisible by the both. By the checking this answer, B option will be the correct, because it will be divisible by both. Now proceed for the next question. A number which is divisible by 11. We know the divisibility property of the 11 that if the difference of sum of the even places digit and odd places digit of a number is 0, or you can say that multiple of the 11 or is divisible by 11, then that number will be divisible by 11. So by the checking this activity, we can find out that A and B will be correct both. Let us see a next question. 12 is the divisible by 6, then it will be the divisible by also. We know that any number is the divisible by the given number, then that number should be also divisible by the factors of the given number. The factor of the 6 are 1, 2, 3, 6. The 12 will be also divisible by the factor of the 6. So according to the question, A option will be correct, my dear students. Let us see proceed for the next question. 20 and 8 are divisible by 4. Then according to the divisibility rule, we know that any two numbers are divisible by given number, then their addition will be also divisible by given number, their subtraction will be also divisible by given number. So after the subtracting, finding the difference 28, we get 12. So 12 is should be also divisible by 4. Now proceed for the next question. Which are co-prime numbers? According to the question, we know that any two numbers having common factor is only one, then those are the considered as co-prime number. So which option will be the correct? By checking that which have the common factor is only one, the A and C. Okay. According to the question, D option will be correct. Now proceed for the next question. 28 is divisible by 4 and 7. Then which option will be correct according to the question? We know that any number is divisible by the given co-prime factors of the number, then that number should be also divisible by product of the co-primes. 4 and 7 are the co-primes. After the product we get here 28, so it will be also divisible by the 28. According to the question, A option will be correct. Let us proceed for the next question. The number divisible by 4. We know the divisibility rule of the 4 that if any number is divisible by 4 at last two digit of the number is the divisible 4, or any number end with the double zero, then that should be also divisible by 4. According to the question, by the checking B and C option will be correct, so D option will be correct here. Let us see proceed for the next question, my dear students. The number which is divisible by 3 but not by 9. We know the property of the divisibility rule of the 3. If the sum of the digits of the given number is divisible by 3, then that number is divisible by 3. If the sum of the digits of the given number is 9, then that number is divisible by 9. So according to the question here, that should be the divisible by 3 but not divisible by 9. By the checking this activity, we can find out that 5, 4, 9 and 3, 12. So B option will be divisible by 3 but not divisible by 9. Okay. Now checking this next question. My dear students, according to the question, we have to check that which number is divisible by 8. We know that any 3 digit, last 3 digit divisible by 8 are end with the 000, then that should be the divisible by 8. So according to the question, D option will be correct. Now proceed for the next question. The number end with even number and 0 are the divisible by exactly 2, according to the property of the divisibility rules. So we know that any number end with 0 or end with the even numbers, then that number show that it will be the divisible by 2. Which of the following number is divisible by 5 and 10 both? Which of the following number is divisible by 5 and 10 both? Okay. So we know the property of the divisibility rule of the 5. Any number is the end with the 0 or 5, then that number show that it will be the divisible by 5. Any number end with the 0, then that number is the divisible by 10. Okay. That should be the divisible by both 5 and 10. According to the question, C option will be correct. Now proceed for the next question, my dear students, and last question. 12 is the divisible by 6, then it will be the divisible by also. We know that if any number is divisible by the given number, then it should be also divisible by the factors of the given number. Let us see a factors of the 6 are 1, 2, 3, 6. So 12 will be also divisible by factor of the 6, 1, 2, 3, 6. According to the question, A option will be correct. Okay, my dear students, I hope that everyone understood. Have a nice day everyone. Bye. With the help of this activity, I hope that everyone understood the concept of the divisibility rule. Have a nice day. Thanks.